Good evening, YouTube. I just finished my auctions for Tuesday night, and I'll be listing some 5-day auctions again, so I want to do a quick box opening. Furious Fists, cheating Pokemons. We did very good sales. I want to see what I can send second chance offers for. I'm going to start with this guy right here. And open real quick. There's 20 some cards in each of these boxes. So it's a really awesome deal. I'll start off right here. We have Flygon, Hawlucha, Trapinch, Auroras, Hariyama, Victreebel, Weepinbell, Fighting Stadium, Korrina, Sail Fossil, and Mega Heracross EX. Thank you very much. This week we got very good offers on these. I'm gonna send a second chance on that one. Hitmontop, Plusle. It's a pretty classic card right there. Scrafty. We got Skorupi, Lickitung. You're right up here. Add him to the mix. Maintenance, Gothorita, Scraggy, Skorupi, Minun, Vibrava, Pikachu. All of you Pikachu fans, got plenty of those, so I'll be sending second chance offers down to the door. Raichu, the best buddy of Pikachu right here, and Drapion. Very good pulls right there. Let's open this one, see what we got. Alright, let's go. Tornadus, Clawitzer, Poliwhirl, Gothita, Hitmontop, Mienshao, Jinx, Hypno, Clefairy, Drapion, Special Energy, Focus Sash, another Special Energy, Bellsprout, Battle Reporter. Oh, that's a very bad print on this one. This Battle Report I like, it's pretty cool. Maintenance, Energy Switch, and Noibat. It's a foil. It's pretty cool. Gotta send a second chance offers real quick. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, come on, I'll open another one. Just forgive us, let's see what we get. I will open the Eevee one. It looks really cool. Let's see what this one brings us. Ready? Let's go. Hawlucha, Trapinch, Auroras, Hariyama, Tyrant, Gothorita, Scraggy, Skorupi, Minun, Vibrava, another Pikachu, a stash right here, followed by the usual run. A lot of these guys. Victory Bell, Whipping Bell, Fighting Stadium, Corina, Sail Fossil, Heracross, Mega Heracross EX. Awesome. Somebody else is gonna get a second chance offer. Sparkling Robe, Plusle, Scrafty, Scorpie, and Noivern. Again, very cool reverse holo. Alright, gonna get going now. Check out my business at giftopia.myitworks.com. It's a very good option for somebody who's staying at home and wants some extra money, or somebody who wants a full-time gig and wants to make quite a bit of money. It's also great if you just want to feel healthier. Thank you so much for watching, and check us out on eBay, Lubaka Video.